Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the C Sharp Windows Form. And in this session number 22, we are going to learn how to display the values in the text boxes when we click on the list box. So let's start our program. And in the last video, we are creating this list box in which we get the values from the database. And now we are going to create the interface. And for this thing, I am going to take the label, and this is the label 1 and text box here. Okay, text box. Okay. Now I want to change the properties of these. First of all, I want to change the font property. Get bold and MS reference. I think bold italic 12 is enough. And now the four color, I think we will get the four colors web, and we have lot of colors here, and we'll use orange color. Okay, now I am copy this, Control C, Control V, second, and the third one is for the username, second is for the password, and third one is for the type. And now I'm going to select username, password, and the next one is type. Now we will name the instances text box username, text box password, text box type. Now our interface is complete. Now we will click on this list box and we go to the programming, and here we have list box user selected index change. And first of all, we are going to create a connection string. I am taking con string, and in this con string we will get the values from the, this is the connection established with the database, and just copy this one, Control A, Control C, and place this connection string here. Now the next thing is that display new display query, display data query, and in this we will write the query select static from imply table where user name is equal to an inverted comma plus, and place the value from the list box user dot text plus double quotes inverted comma, and here we complete our query. Now first of all, we will create a MySQL connection and create cons is equal to new MySQL connection, and in this we will place the con string. Now we will use MySQL command, cmds is equal to new MySQL command, and in this MySQL command we will place two things, display data query, string display data query, and the second is the cons. Now we use MySQL data reader, data reader, whatever the name you want, and here we will start a try catch block. This try catch block is used for the exception handling. If any kind of error will be arrived by working on the form, then this exception handle exception EX will cover this error. Okay. message box dot show unable to retrieve the information due to plus ex. Okay, now we will need to open the connection first, cons.open, and after that we will place data reader is equal to cmds and dot execute reader. Now we all have the values in the data reader, and now we will use while loop, and in this data reader dot read we will continue the loop until we have the values. Now we will make a I think we need three variables. I am using uname is equal to, and data reader dot get string, and place the values here. This will be our database, and we have three columns here: username, password, and type. Now these names in the column name will be supplied here. Username string as pass, or you can say upass, is equal to data reader dot get string password, and string utype is equal to data reader dot get string and place type. Okay. Now we will place these values in the text boxes, and text box username dot set text dot text box username is equal to uname. So we have dot text property. Okay. Text box user password, text box password dot text is equal to upass, and text box type dot text is equal to utype. Okay, now our program is completed. We will go and run this program and start the button, and okay, we have some problem. Where is the problem? Okay, we have wrong name here. Exception is there, not execption. That's why it was showing an error. Now go and click. You can see that the values are shown automatically when we click on this one. So this is the end of our program. But before leaving, it is very important for you to understand that this list box is same working as the combo box, but it was showing the values in a specified length which are given here, and if these values are exceed from this box design, then automatic scroll bars will be shown here. So this is very useful to use the values if you have if you don't want to always drop down the values here. So I'm just giving some little bit label and properties, use of list box, make some font here, bold or please bold italic. Okay, use of list box. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel and like our videos, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Allah Hafiz. In the next video we will cover the other topics which are very useful, how to use the chart and the different things. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.